The lifts are still running here at Ski Bowl, and they say they'll be open into the night, but take a look at the conditions that they're up against. We've got a lot of gravel exposed here on the ground, and then the snow is actually turning into a stream of water.
Very wet, icy, slushy. They're soaked.
In fact, water is just about all you hear. On the way up to Mount Hood Meadows, the lifts closed early for the day. At Ski Bowl, only a few are braving the runs.
It hurts to fall on, and I'm trying to learn, so it's not the best conditions for that.
We've probably had 10 to 12 runs. There's no line, that's good.
The only real line, right here.
2, 3, go!
A little bumpy, but other than that, not too bad.
Worth it to come up here?
Yeah, we were a bit apprehensive when we got out of the car and we're soaked in about 2 minutes, but once we got up here on the little hill here, the kids are loving it.
Here we go!
With the kids out of school for the holidays, Ski Bowl says these are usually their best weeks of winter, leaving the resorts hoping it's the weather that will turn.
You know, we'd all love to see snow. Obviously, we're a ski area, but you take what Mother Nature throws at you and do the best you can.
While many of these resorts are closing early for the day, they say they will be back on track and even hope to have a big dump of snow later this weekend to make for good conditions on New Year's Eve. On Mount Hood, Megan Cockstein, K2 News.